Aayubowan, my Kurumba friends. In this vlog, we will be exploring the historic second capital of Sri Lanka, Polonnaruwa. Polonnaruwa is the second most ancient kingdom of Sri Lanka, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the best preserved and best planned archaeological zones. It became the island's capital in the 10th century after the fall of Anuradhapura during a Chola invasion. The city was referred to as Kandavuru Unuvara or Camp City. It was King Vijayabahu I, also known as Vijayabahu the Great, who reclaimed the city from the Cholas and established Polonnaruwa. Then it was his grandson, King Parakrama I, who truly transformed Polonnaruwa into a glorious era of economic development. One of the most remarkable of his achievements is the Parakrama Samudraya, a massive man-made reservoir built by merging several smaller tanks. Spanning over 2,500 hectares, often referred to as an inland sea. For this trip, I chose to stay at EKHO Lake House, originally built in 1870 as a circuit bungalow for British government agents and once known as the Old Polonnaruwa Rest House. Today, this timeless property stands as a beautiful blend of history and modern elegance. This is the royal suite at EKHO Lake House, Polonnaruwa. Something significant about this suite is that in 1954, Queen Elizabeth visited Sri Lanka, and during her visit to the cultural triangle, she visited here. So initially this was served as the rest house of Polonnaruwa and later became EKHO Lake House. So now this suite is a part of the EKHO Lake House, and the bathtub and the furniture, everything has been refurbished and protected, and you can come and stay here and spend a good time. So let's have a look at this place. And this is an autograph which was signed by Queen Elizabeth, and this is the royal bathtub that Queen Elizabeth II used in back in 1954. Even the furnitures which was used back then in the 20th century, they have been maintained. Even now they are in pristine condition. If you are coming to Sri Lanka, especially to Polonnaruwa and Anuradhapura areas, you must try rice and curry. And here's why. In ancient times, Sri Lanka was named as Peradika Dhanyagare, mainly because we had massive irrigation systems, you can see even today, and those were solely built in the purpose of serving the huge paddy fields. And at one point, Sri Lanka even exported rice to India when they were suffering from a drought. So here's my lunch today. I'm having at EKHO Lake House, Polonnaruwa. So we have white rice and my all-time favorite dish, Vav Malu. You can even have this as a curry or a fried fish, fried lake fish. And we have kehalmuwa, ratuwala or beetroot, papadam, parippu, vetakolu, podda, kolavellu, pol sambal, 2 chutneys, amba chutney, umbrella chutney if I'm not wrong, but the balwas, fried spreads, and fried chilies, Madhu Miris. Hi everyone, so I have come to experience a unique excursion that EKHO Lake House Polonnaruwa has to offer. So this high tea on a boat like this with this stunning sunset is a great experience you can have.
From this end, I have the Polonnaruwa ancient city, and from this side, I can see multiple ranges of mountains with stunning sunset over here. Sri Lanka is a destination you must visit in 2025 and in the upcoming years as well. So yeah, I will enjoy my chatter and call it a good day.
One of the most iconic statues in Polonnaruwa, found near the ancient library complex of Padgul Viharya, is often believed to represent King Parakrama I himself. However, historians are divided in this case. Some argue that the statue, with its serene expression and simple attire, may represent a sage or a high priest instead.
Aayubowan, my Kurumba friends. Not the typical ending, but a different one because this vlog definitely deserves a special ending. All thanks to the EKHO Lake House, Polonnaruwa. From the moment I arrived, the warmth and hospitality I received were exceptional. I was welcomed by the general manager, and each and every staff member made sure that I had a really memorable stay at EKHO Lake House, and every single smile, every single gesture made me feel special during my stay. And to be honest, now that I'm back home and when I think about my stay in Polonnaruwa, EKHO Lake House, it's not the luxuries and the amenities that stand out first in my memory, but rather it's about how they treated me and how they made me feel special during my stay, which I am truly grateful for. And that's what actually matters in this industry. The way you treat your guests matters a lot, especially if you are a hotel or a villa or even a cafe, because when they are back at their home and meeting their friends and families, that is what the way you treat your guests is what they will remember first, more than the luxuries or the amenities. They will talk, oh, this hotel treated me this way, they did this to me, they surprised me in this way, and those kind of little minor details they will remember, and they will talk about that, which will be beneficial for you. But again, being Sri Lankan, being truly hospitable is not something new for us. So it's something you can genuinely do from your hotel or whatever it is. So keep doing that. And so a massive thank you to the entire team at EKHO Lake House, Polonnaruwa, for making my stay in Polonnaruwa truly special. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you soon with another vlog very soon. So until then, Aayubowan, my Kurumba friends. Stay safe and we'll see you soon.